Come on, Lemke! I told him to lean, man. Pick it up, Lemke!
What? So Mr. Turner doesn't see me.
Come on, Lemke! Lemke!
Damn, he's fast. Shit. That one's really good.
What if he goes
I don't know how the fuck he's still going. This one's actually really good though, I'm not gonna lie. David's.
I know,
That's
right?
the group right there.
Come on, Lemke! Oh, he's going in the deep. He's going in the deep. Lemke going into the deep. Watch out! Look at he's sinking. He's sinking. Come on, Lemke! Lemke!
Yeah. You actually had a good ball.
Look at this! Lemke, come on!
He's sinking. I don't know how the fuck he's still going.
Lemke, lean back! Lemke, come on, have faith! Lean back! It's going down, it's going down!
Oh my gosh. That guy's still going.
Lemke! I can't do goes down the boat.
What a pussy.
Lemke, keep going! Keep going!
Nice job, nice job.
Well, but
No, nice job, dude.
come on, Lemke! I'm gonna go meet him over there.
Nico sucks. His boat, he's talking all the crap about how his boat's the best. Look at it, it's over there. Nope, it's trash. Our boat, on the other hand, is pretty good by Lemke. That's Kayla. Yeah.
Lemke!
Alright, so this is Schaumburg's boat races, 8th period, 7th and 8th period. So yeah, have a good day. This is part 2, second heat. Philly, Donda. Some kids.
Captain's in.
This one's about to sink.
Oh, dude. It's floating.
No push off! Go!
Billy Tyler.
Look at Paulson. He's gonna sink eventually.
Oh, Billy taking the water.
He's using the wall.
I looked right at
How is he still going? Billy.
I was good, I'm glad nobody's recording me.
Dang.
I wonder if Paulson or Billy's gonna win.
Boo.
Billy! And then neck and neck. Paulson's gonna win. Which one? Yeah. Oh.
As long as he doesn't sink, that's all that matters.
Trying to go down in the front.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
He's right in the front. I wonder how many rolls of duct tape. That was the big box.
At least she's gonna finish. I gotta give her props. He made him open. I don't know how the fuck that even made it. So this is end of part 2. Chamber boat races.